Hi everyone, I'm Srinivas Panigrahi. Welcome to the Product Impact channel. Let's get started. The front end is what a user or a client sees and interacts with is a front end. The screen of a website that we see is a front end in simple words, and the backend is everything that is behind that a client cannot see, that is backend. Now let us understand a simple analogy of the how the front end and the backend communicates. So, taking the simple example of a Google form that we fill. So, in that Google form, let's take the simple example of I want to participate in an event, and I found it in Google Ads. I'll go to that. Uh, I'll go to that website, find the registration form, and do the registration. So in this process, while I am doing the registration, I am filling the details like my name, my email address, my phone number, and other details I am filling. And I'm hitting the submit button. And once I am hitting the submit button, the in that submit button, an API is integrated. So that API will take my data that I am giving in the front end, and that will then that API will take that data to the backend, and the backend will process. And here in that backend there would be various databases, various services running. So in this particular example, my data will be stored in a database that I am a new entry will be added in the database. And once that is done, the backend will send a success response to the front end, and I will see a green signal showing that your registration is completed. And if something happens wrong here, then what will happen if the backend services are not working, or due to some reasons the data could not be stored in the database, and then the backend will send a negative response or a bad request, and that will show in the front end, uh, and it will show me that an error message, a red color error message has come, your registration could not be completed, try again. So this is a simple example of how a front end and a back end works.